Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Thank you. I wasn't sure because the train is pretty full today.
Yes, it's quite busy. I think a lot of people are traveling this morning.
Are you going all the way to Washington, D.C.?
Yes, I am. What about you?
Same here. It's almost 3 hours by train, right?
Yes, just under 3 hours if everything is on time.
That's not too bad. I usually drive, but I decided to take the train this time.
Really? I usually drive a car too, but the train is more relaxing.
I agree. You don't have to worry about traffic, and you can just sit and enjoy the view.
Exactly. I like looking out the window, especially when we pass the countryside.
Are you traveling for work or for fun?
For work, I have a meeting tomorrow morning. How about you?
I'm visiting a friend. It's nice to have some free time.
That sounds great.
It's always nicer to chat with someone on a long trip.
I agree. It makes the time pass faster.
Well, I'm glad I sat here.
Me too. It's nice to meet you.